Hi guys, happy sixth week. So this week we'll be learning about division of polynomials. Let's have a review how to divide. So before that, let's recall those parts. So the number that you're gonna divide is what we call divisor. The number that will be divided by the number is the dividend, and whatever will be your answer is what we called the quotient. Now normally we divide it step by step or one by one, like 2 divided by 7. But if it's not possible, we could always move one places and divide 24 divided by 7. So 24 divided by 7 is 3. So you could write 3 in here. 3 times 7 is 21. So 21. And then we subtract. 24 subtract by 21 is 3. And then we bring down the last number, which is 6. And then 36 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 36 minus 35 is 1. So our final answer is 35, remainder 1. Now we will apply this process in polynomials. So it looks complicated, but it's not. So if you have two terms in here, which means you're also starting two terms inside of your dividend. So I'm just gonna put paper in here to cover the rest, so we're not thinking about those. So the goal in dividing polynomials is you always have to look for the number that when you multiply to the first number of your binomial will give you the beginning or the front number or first number of your dividend. So that is x squared. Why? Because when you multiply x squared to x, it gives you x cubed. And take note, if this is a positive, therefore your numbers on top should always be a positive. So x squared times x, so how many x this time? So we have 3. So you have x cubed. You guys get that one? That's our goal, to get that. And then x squared times negative 3x is negative 3x squared. And then we proceed to subtraction. So when we subtract x cubed minus x cubed, that's none. Negative 2 minus minus 3. Every time we have two negative, that means you have to add. So negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1, and then you just put x squared. Okay, and then we could now bring down the other number. So what's the next number? The next number is x 6x. So we bring down plus 6x. Now our goal again is to look for a term that will give you 1x squared. So we have x in here, and our goal is to get 1x squared, so we could always multiply that with x squared or 1x squared, but for now let's put 1x. So again, our goal is to get the same term at the very front of your equation. So 1x times x is 1x squared. 1x times negative 3 is negative 3x. And then we subtract. So obviously this will be gone. 6 minus minus 3. Again, we have two negatives. So that means you're adding 6 plus 3 is 9. So you have 9x. And lastly, we have to bring down our negative 6. So we're almost done. So what number we're gonna multiply to this that we will give as 9x? Okay, very good. That's 9. So you could just like plus 9 in here. Again, why plus 9? Because this is a positive. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. And then we will be subtracting. 9x is gone. Negative 6 minus 27 is, so 2 negative becomes a positive, so that means negative 6 plus 27 is 21. So we have a remainder of 21. And that's our final answer.